which are some of the challenges that you're seeing? Is it the macroeconomic environment, global economic slowdown, sustainability, geopolitics? What keeps you awake at night when you have to plan the strategy for your expansion here in this part of the world?
Well, I think at the end of the day, we need to deliver value to the customers. I know there are a lot of headwinds and challenges in the economic environment, the global economic environment. But for us, if you focus on creating value for the users, for your customers, I'm sure they will continue to work with us to bring the greater good.
Now, it seems that Tencent also has some exciting announcement to make. I heard during this LEAP conference, and it might sound like you have some important news to share with us. Go ahead, what is it?
Thank you for letting me to talk about our partnership with Mobily. We are working together to bring enterprise solutions to the local businesses here. And there are a lot of possibilities that we can work together to bring technology innovations to the community here.
Are we expecting many more of such partnerships and deals in the pipeline this year, or is this the biggest one that you can announce at the moment?
Well, definitely, more will come. I think we are at the very early stage in terms of the investment in the region. So we look forward to doing more with the partners here and serving the community better.